The scientific process is a systematic and logical approach used by scientists to understand nature and acquire knowledge about the world. It involves the following key steps. Observation and questioning. The process typically begins with careful and detailed observations of natural phenomena. These observations lead to questions about how or why things work the way they do. Hypothesis formation. Scientists then formulate hypotheses, which are educated guesses or proposed explanations for the observed phenomena. These hypotheses are based on existing knowledge and are testable. Experimentation and testing. To test their hypotheses, scientists design experiments or conduct tests. These experiments are carefully planned and executed to gather data and evidence that can either support or refute the hypothesis. Data collection and analysis. During the experiments, data is collected and this data is analyzed to draw meaningful conclusions. Statistical methods are often used to determine the significance of the results. Peer review. The findings and methodology are subjected to peer review, where other experts in the field evaluate the research for its quality, validity, and reliability. Repeatability. Scientific results must be repeatable, meaning that other researchers should be able to conduct similar experiments and obtain similar results. This helps ensure the validity of the findings. Theory development. If a hypothesis is supported by multiple lines of evidence and is confirmed through numerous experiments, it may evolve into a scientific theory. A theory is a well-substantiated explanation for a wide range of phenomena and is the best current understanding of a particular aspect of the natural world. Law formation. In some cases, when there is an unusually high degree of confidence in the theory and it has withstood rigorous testing over time, it may be elevated to the status of a scientific law. A scientific law is a statement that describes a consistent and universal relationship observed in nature. In summary, the scientific process involves a systematic investigation of natural phenomena through observation, hypothesis formation, experimentation, data analysis, and peer review. If the results are repeatable and robust, a hypothesis may become a theory, and in rare cases, a theory may become a law. This process aims to understand the natural world in a rational and logical manner and is characterized by its commitment to evidence-based reasoning and the pursuit of knowledge through empirical means.